Hi, my name is David Alkire, restoration parts expert. Today in the shop, we have a set of trim parts, high quality 55 through 57 Chevy outer door handles that fit the 2-door and 4-door sedan body styles. Trim Parts sweats the details when it comes to manufacturing their parts. Manufacture trim items such as emblems and lenses, and they are considered within the market car jewelry. And there's a reason for that. They are that nice. These door handles have several quality features that distinguish them as the obvious choice for your restoration or project, such as Trim Parts uses original GM tooling where available, and in this case what that means is that the thickness of the casting and the angle of the handle where it meets your door is exactly as GM designed it. Where other manufacturers incorrectly offer one part number for sedan and hardtop applications, Trim Part correctly offers 2 part numbers that takes into account the difference between the sedan and hardtop door handles. Next, these door handles are manufactured using premium materials that are triple chrome plated and are the correct finish and have a durable high luster, and are manufactured in the USA at the Trim Parts manufacturing location in Lebanon, Ohio. The location is staffed by people just like you that are passionate about the cars and the parts that they produce. Part number 1202 contains everything you need to replace both door handles on your 2-door sedan. Included are the outside door handles, mounting hardware, and gaskets. And finally, this part, along with all GM parts manufactured by Trim Parts, are GM licensed. Consider it the official seal of approval from the people that originally built your car. When you want the absolute best products for your project, insist on Trim Parts products and make sure to ask for them by name. Trim Parts products can be found at leading restoration retailers or by going to trimparts.com. To see more videos that show the features and details of Trim Parts products, go to trimparts.com/videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time.